But imagine trying to perform a symphony with no conductor, missing your sheet music, and instruments that don't quite sync up. Much like middle school band, this is what running an AI project without the right tech stack feels like. And in healthcare, those stakes are high because we're talking about lives, not likes. And if that data is messy, outdated, or biased, your AI is going to play the wrong tune because no orchestra can perform without a conductor, and no AI project should run without governance. And that means the privacy policies, your bias mitigations, your clinical validations. What's in your AI orchestra? Are your tools in sync, or are they just making noise?